Welcome back, and we have a special treat for you today. This is going to be baked macaroni and cheese. The best simple recipe you're going to find. Baked, it's going to have the crispy top, and you're going to enjoy it. All right, what we're going to do, we're going to take some butter, and we're going to melt that down. We need to form a paste, and the paste will be the base for our cheese sauce. So we're going to get that melted down. All right, we have our butter melted down. We're going to add some flour. And we're going to cook this in. This will form a paste. You can see. You want to cook this down for a little bit. Roughly a minute or so. All right, we're ready for our milk. We're going to slowly put the milk in, a little bit at a time. Add some more. And we're going to make a nice paste out of this. All right, I added the rest of the milk in. It has thickened up about over 5 minutes. So we're going to add our paprika. I'm going to stir that in. Then we're going to add a little bit, touch of salt. I'm going to add a touch of pepper. Fresh ground pepper. All right, you can see it's almost at that boiling point. We'll turn it down. All right, so now we want to add our cheese a little at a time. This has to thicken up. Look at that, instantly thickened up. Look at that. Get this melted. All right, look at that. And then we will add the rest of our cheese. This is just straight sharp cheddar. It's one cheese. And look at this. So we're going to cook this down for about 10 to 15 minutes on low heat. Low to medium heat, and let it thicken up just a little bit more. All right, as you can see, it thickened up. It's about 15 minutes in. And you can see it, how it runs a little bit. You don't want it too thick because it's got to be able to get around all the macaroni. And we're going to take this off the burner. And what we're going to do is we're going to bake this in a cast iron skillet. And we're going to warm that up for about a few minutes. All right, what we're going to do is we're going to put most of the cheese in here. About 2/4, 3/4, sorry. A little bit left over. Put that off to the side. We're going to stir in our macaroni. These are Elbow Macaroni. Cooked to about 10 minutes. Made it al dente. I'm just going to stir this up, make it nice and creamy. All right, look at that. All right, now we're going to shift this over. This is slightly warmed. Our skillet. So we're going to dump the whole thing into our skillet. Just like so. This is a nice creamy recipe. All right, just like that. What we're going to do now, we're going to put the remaining cheese on top, and we're going to spread that around. Now what this is going to do, it's going to help crust up the top. And just gently spread it around, just like so. All right, so what we're going to do now, we're going to add these breadcrumbs. This is the Panko breadcrumbs. We're just going to sprinkle them onto the top of the cheese, like so. And then we're going to drizzle some oil on top, very lightly. Then we're going to bake this at 400 degrees. Get this top nice and crispy for a half hour. We have our beautiful mac and cheese baked, and we're going to dig into this. This is nice and crispy. Let's see if we can get, oh, look at that. Let's get a portion of this over. Oh, look at that. Beautiful. Look at the crust. Oh, yes. This is dry. Very good. Until next time, this is the Classical Gourmet. Happy cooking.